It is very nice. I'm impressed. You've done a good job on that.
Yeah, I took my time because you know what? You cannot rush perfection.
Yeah, we've had a few complaints about you not rushing, and taking your time.
You know what?
One of them,
What? Go on.
the old 825
The old,
XB jobby.
what are you going on about?
Your Corrali 1/8 e-buggy. How's it going? How's it going, boss?
The e-buggy. Well,
Yeah,
yeah.
how's it going?
Well, I'm glad you know what happened was because he had the 1/8 euros on, didn't you? Or was it a world or something like that? Well, you see, I watched that and it got me really fired up. So what I did, I went into the old car room there, and I got the box of that Corrali 1/8 car, and I put it on the bench.
Yep.
And then I left it there.
Right.
That's it. Everybody knows before you start a kit, you just have to leave it on the bench for about a week. Let it settle. You've got to let it settle.
You've had it for about 10 weeks, boss.
Yes. But you've got to let it settle. You've got to let the box settle. You've got to let the contents just breathe. Yeah? And then you get the tools out. You get the light up. You put the light up like that. You get everything ready. Because you know what? Once you get them little C-clip, E-clip things, yeah, I don't know what I mean, and you... I don't need to say any more about that. Because they...
Well, we've got a problem now.
What's the problem?
The problem is, there was this, I don't know if you saw it recently, this big yellow thing.
Big yellow thing.
It used to sit up in the sky, and it used to make you really hot and sweaty. And it dried out the grass.
The sun.
That's the one. Well, it's gone now.
Summer's
All we've
over.
got is rain and wetness.
Yeah, it flooded the other day around these parts.
So, getting outside is not going to be as enjoyable, boss.
No, but we have had a wonderful summer. It has been very, very good. We've done a lot of stuff. Do you know what though? Can I tell you something?
Go on then.
We had a complaint come in.
We've had a few, boss. What's the complaint about anyway?
So in light of the other video we did, that really long, nearly 20-minute one we did.
Yeah.
But the first half of it, we were catching up, weren't we?
We were having a catch up.
Someone didn't like it.
But other people, they did like
They
it. They were
said-
like, "Do you know what? We miss you, boys. We're glad to see you back together again."
They said, cut the waffle out. We want to talk about the cars. They were very rude. I deleted the comment.
Yeah.
They were very rude.
We've had it a few times, actually, when people say, "You're supposed to be an RC car channel.
That sort of thing hurts
Come
our
here
feelings,
to watch the
guys.
RC cars."
That hurts our feelings. We get all sad and that.
Yeah. Other people, though, they say they like our banter. We've been complimented many a time. Now, do you know what people keep saying to me since I shaved off my beard?
And they said, what? They said you look younger.
They say I look like Nick Frost.
Nick Frost from the old
Cornetto.
Cornetto thing.
Cornetto.
Yeah, they do say you look like Nick Frost. I get that. What's that guy's name now? What's that fella? I look like.
We can never remember his name, can
what's
we?
his name?
Is it Ben or something?
Ben, but not Ben Dover. Not Phil. Not Phil Meacock.
What's his name?
Eugene. Ben off the telly. Ben off the telly. I'll
Posh Ben.
Posh Ben.
He's a posh Ben, isn't he?
Alright, let's put Posh. Oh, come on, stupid thing. Right, Posh Ben off the. Oh, I've done that bit. Off the telly. Off the telly.
On the telly.
On the telly. Why did I say off the? Was it off or on?
He's on the telly, isn't he?
Posh. Posh Ben off. On. We said
On
on
the
then
telly.
On the telly.
Mamma mia.
Just bear with me. Don't switch off. Posh Ben on the telly. Bill and Ben.
It's not Bill and Ben. The flower
Ben Fogle. There he is.
Let me see his picture. Let me see his picture.
There you go.
It is.
That's me, isn't it?
That is you.
Right. Ben Fogle.
He's like an educated version of you, isn't he?
That picture. Why has he got a washing machine door boot hanging around his neck?
No idea.
What an idiot. I ain't posh like him though, innit? I'm refined like him. He's quite a refined chap, isn't he? You know what I mean? Good looking and that. The women and that, I think, might like him like they like me and that. So, yeah, we've got a lot in common with the geezer. Do you know what else though, right? People have whinged about.
Go on in.
Moaned about. That, well, we've...
Done it again, haven't we?
Yeah. Done it again, haven't we?
Do you know what we need to do?
What?
We need to carry on doing this because we're really good at it. But how about this, right? What are we thinking? Right?
Go on, tell him. We've got something exciting to tell you.
We've done 5 years of Popalong RC.
We've done 5 years. We're coming up to our 5-year anniversary. And although we love the RC community and we will continue to do RC videos, we will continue. We're not stopping. Please. We're not stopping, but we do need your help. Tell them why we need their help.
I
Go on.
think we should have a second channel, which is still got a bit of RC in there, but maybe it's just me and you having a chat, having a catch up, talking about some of the other things you want us to do.
There you go.
Maybe you want us to pop along to a Scotch egg factory.
Yeah.
Maybe you want us to pop along to a brewery.
We're going to go to
a
breweries.
distillery.
We're going to go to distilleries.
Butchers.
We're going to go to the butchers.
Kebab shop.
We are going to sample some alcohol.
What?
Although I don't drink that much.
No, that could be funny. But we should just pop along places.
Yeah, so that's the idea. It's going to be called the Carl and Mark show, show or something? The Mark and Carl...
We haven't come up with a name. Or maybe we leave that bit out at the moment because we don't want someone to nick the name before we've got it.
Fair enough. We don't quite know what we're going to call it yet, but it's going to star me and it's going to star you. We're going to get special guests in as well.
Have you got any lined up already?
Yeah, loads, yeah.
I've got one.
Who's that?
The wife.
Really?
Yeah, they want her back. They said that she's funny.
Okay, get her back then.
I don't see it myself.
No,
I don't think she ever makes me laugh. She tells me off.
No, she's always having a go, isn't she?
She is.
Yeah. As is my wife. Always having a bit of a...
Maybe we should get your wife on.
We're getting both on.
Maybe they should do the new channel and we just don't bother.
But look, we're going to do a new channel. And in addition to this one, so you're going to still get your Popalong RC, you're going to get your banter on there.
I'll tell you what, it's got to look different to this though. Let's get changed and...
we need a different look. No, all right, we're going to... Okay.
We'll get rid of the cars.
Yeah.
Got to get rid of the cars.
All right, go on then.
And then...
Right, should we do a 3, 2, 1 thing?
Go on then. 3, 2, 1...
Hey!
That's smart, isn't it?
That's smart, isn't it?
Wow,
so now I feel a little bit more... What's the word?
Smarter,
yeah. So listen, if you want to... Let me rephrase that. Please subscribe to our new channel. It's right here. You can read it here. But click the link in the description because we want to get lots of subscribers, don't we? And if you've got any topics for us to talk about, then put it in the comments.
Definitely. So we're going to have some fun with this. We're kind of diversify a little bit, which means the hardcore Popalong RC fans get their RC fix. And everyone else who kind of likes having a bit of laugh with us gets their fix as well. It's going to be perfect.
There you go. So if you like what you see, subscribe to this channel and subscribe to this channel. See you again.